Today, I'm working on a brand new diamond painting that I'm designing. I'm finishing up the colors, I'm touching up the edges, and then I'm going to assign the symbols. This is a diamond painting for people who are just getting started or somebody who wants a snack size. Diamond paint with me as I go through this process. I have been working on creating smaller paintings for people just getting started or for people who want to do a snack size painting. So I put together some digital art of this lake and the canoe and the camper and the meadow in the background. Growing up, camping was our family vacations. We had a trailer. We would go all over New England, sometimes down to Virginia Beach because I have family down there. State parks, we love the state parks, oceans. So this camper has some confetti because it's all different shades of blue. So I thought I would make it like a navy blue. And I'm just going to color it in all solid. And then I'm going to lighten this door and the window a little bit. You know what? Maybe I'll do half this navy blue and half the blue with the confettis. That might look pretty. And maybe I could do some sort of a design or something. Um, See how I can make it look. So when I color this in, I'm doing this one square at a time. So I'm looking at these colors here. Silver. Oh, this is pearl gray. Okay, I think I want to use that color. Oops, no, I don't want to do that. I think I just want to, whoops, go right along here. So this picture is a 12 by 12. That's not what I want to do. I want the gray. Mm, yeah, you know what? Because this is not, hmm, this door is not really centered. So because there's three here and three. Yep, that's right. Three and three. Okay, so I do want this. Those look like curtains, right? I'm not going to put a little lamp in there because I guess it's daytime, so they don't really need a lamp. So, oh my gosh, I just did that whole thing the wrong color. All right, so I'm going to do this. Well, at least I know where I want this color to go now. All right, that's good. And then, okay, I'm happy with this. Should this be at an angle here? Whoops, I don't want to do that. Because this is at an angle. Okay, now we'll see what this looks like. It's a mock-up. That is a mock-up of the finished product.
Hey. Hello. Oh! Oh, Monica! It's so beautiful! I know!
Maybe I'll round off the tires a little bit, and then I'm going to work on the symbols. I think I did too much off the tires. Maybe I'll leave them alone. This over here is the tire on the other side of the camper. No, I'm just going to leave the tires alone, and I will make this piece right here, this gray. That's better. Okay. Actually, so now we have some colors. We have 69 of 79 colors, 69 of 70 colors used. So first I'm going to remove the duplicate thread colors. Then I'm going to remove unused threads from the palette. Okay. Now I'll reorder the palette. And I am going to remove some of the colors. Because here we have, this only has one drill, this has two drills, this has three drills. And then, let's see if I can find out where these terracotta things are. Oh, they're not there. Okay, well. Maybe they're up here. Okay, so I'm just going to remove. Okay, so here we're at 69 colors. I'm going to remove 10% of the colors. And now we're down to 64. Why is this green here? It's odd. I'm going to get rid of that. So now we're at 59 colors. And the shell gray medium in here. I'm going to, again, eliminate 10% of the colors. So now we're down to 54. And I think that's okay. Gray blue, there's 15. And then navy blue is 17. Maybe I'll go 15, 17, 19. Yeah. Move it down another 10%. Well, that doesn't look right there, does it? Okay. Oh. So I'm gonna make this, whatever color this was, it's gone. And I'm gonna make it black actually. And the computer chose green for that, but okay. So now I'm gonna work on the symbols. There's 48 colors, that's good. Just to double check, I'm going to remove duplicate threads and remove what? Oh, unused threads. I don't think there are any though. Okay. So now I'm going to reorder the palette from the most drill colors used to the least. And I'm going to start over here with the most drill colors. And I am going to change the symbols. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I am going to, the symbols, whoops. For the symbols, I'm going to, oh, come on now. I'm going to change the symbols and I'm going to assign them in font order, which really doesn't mean anything. And then I can go back and I can have all these symbols here that I want to use unused so that I can reassign them. The next number sequence here would be 8. And 6 and 8 are similar. I'm going to change this to something different. I'll use the cat. And now I'll do 8. E and F are similar, but this is brown and this is green, so I'm not going to worry about them being close together. I'm going to leave that I as the little dot. The I. I'm going to leave that the little dot instead of using the I, and I'm going to use the I for this brown. So for this black, I want something that's a little bold. So I'm going to choose this solid heart, and it'll show up white in the black symbol. It'll be a white heart against the black color. And for the black brown, that's also going to be difficult to see, so I'm going to choose something bold for that. And I will choose what? I'll choose this. I think I want the diamond. The P is brown, and R is going to be similar, but it's green, so I'm not going to worry about those being too close together. So the U and the V are both brown, so I'm going to choose something different for this symbol. I will go with the note. Okay, I've used all the letters and the numbers. There's an R and a P close together. I thought I tried to avoid that. P brown, R is green. Well, of course, in the tree, but that's not too many. That's not too many. And let's see. The P is brown and the R is green. Oh, yeah, so that's not too many close together. Why is this one cat here? I'm going to go back and make that an A. I missed that for something. Looks good to me. I'm going to go back and fix this. Okay. I am done with this diamond painting.